What up guys, it was Short, and today I have the brand new AirPods 4. I'm just gonna do a quick little unboxing. So here they are. This is the AirPods. This is a lot smaller than the AirPods Pro I used to have, but I think it might be similar size to what the old ones were. Yeah, kind of the same, just sideways, I guess now. So let's get this out of the plastic wrapping. Push it out this way. And here they are, the brand new AirPods. Ooh, little noises. I never got that with the old ones. They're probably going to want to connect to my phone, so give me a second. So, just like connecting any AirPods, you would open this, and it will connect right there. Put in my password real quick. And there it is. It's connecting. And obviously he's going to go through all the stuff. Let me go through this real quick. And that's it. AirPods are connected. Simple as that. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed the videos, and I will see you next time.